Alright guys, another day, another adventure. Gonna bring them woods, it's gonna be cold.
This is for not to move. It's a lot of water.
Cooking the firewood? Oh.
I wonder where.
Alright. The good thing about this RSI smart cap, it has this little window. And that's where point of entry,
That's where you're gonna put the hose?
the hose and everything.
So here it is.
And that's that. How's that? That's pretty cool, right? This need to go in. It's for the batteries. This is for the remote. Oh, this one go first. Well, again, I poke a hole just enough for only one wire at a time. Just enough. That has to go first. So this we will try tonight. It's gonna be the real feel of -5 tonight. So this is gonna be a test for this new system that I've been waiting for. As you can see, the video I did. So this is gonna be good. We'll see if it lasts tonight. It should be good.
We're sleeping in the cab, but I'm gonna fill up. We'll see a diesel, 1.5 gallons. I believe that's about 7 liters. That's good enough. It's only a night. I doubted that it's going to run out 1.5 gallons of diesel. But you never know. This is our first time going to be trying to run the whole night and some. So let's set it up.
It's gonna be like some of you are going to be wondering, why do I put it up here when this thing was designed to be on the wheel? I like everything clean. I don't like to be walking over here and get tangled. This is good. It just looked good and it's clean. It's up here. Let's lose it.
So you want to put it up there?
How is that even possible? What's up, man?
Hi, Mr. Vo.
How you doing, partner?
Jimmy, glad you can make it.
I know, right?
Sorry your wife couldn't make it.
Thank you for coming and thank you for inviting.
Thank you for the invite.
Invitation?
I need help with anything?
No, we're just doing a video.
I mean, could I just push the start button to make a video look good or something?
For the start.
Right? Wow,
Yeah.
look at that. You really went all out on this thing, huh?
Yeah,
Ah, you got a little hole here for the little
Little hole.
mosquito. Okay.
we'll see. We'll see, right?
Yeah.
We'll see tonight.
Yeah.
This is the do
Yeah.
break it, make it or break it with this system.
Yeah. Hey, why not, right? How much will it cost you?
Ooh, I don't want to say it too loud. My wife doesn't know.
Oh, okay. Well, it's still Chinese made.
It probably is still Chinese made with a few,
I like
Modification.
I like the setup.
you know,
Yeah, I like the
Clean.
setup.
clean setup.
Takes longer than I expected, but
Yep, yep. We'll find out. Okay. Muffler,
that's exhaust.
exhaust. Gotta put it out here.
Nice.
Don't touch the wire. Yes, let's do this. Again, this is my first time, so I'm gonna trying to figure out the right way to do it.
So who's the other two you said that might show up?
Pablo and Sang.
Pablo's
fishing.
here.
Pablo's here.
Cool, cool. All welcome.
You right?
The more the merrier.
More the merrier.
Yeah, Tia wanted to come, but boy had a procedure yesterday, so she's caring for him.
Yeah.
Boynton,
A
right?
boy. A boy.
Yeah.
A boy.
Boy.
What procedure he has again?
Teeth? Teeth clean?
Dental.
Yeah, dental.
Oh,
Dental cleaning.
gotta kiss him in the mouth, you know what I mean? Get his teeth all cleaned up.
Mason has cavity, it's okay, but her
Oh, dog
Boynton-
cannot.
he's almost having a cavity.
Don't-
Take him in.
Don't
Yep.
say that on YouTube.
Yeah.
We gonna all get fired.
What are you doing, honey? You're tying the
just-
hose?
Yeah, tying the hose. Yeah, that's okay.
All right, well, if you need anything,
Hey.
holler.
Yep.
I'm gonna do the grilling over here. Rotisserie.
Yeah, we're getting the charcoal ready for you
Oh,
over
okay.
there because I brought the little grill.
Yeah.
So we'll get the charcoal, everything's set. By the time you get that figured out, we should have the coal charcoal ready.
This is
for
it. Done. See? The right one will fit the right thing. Look. This thing is not bad in the summer, but in the winter, it's hard to try to unzip. Lock. I'm gonna put a heat in here. Okay. Right there. We don't need to zip it up. Come on, this is what to make it faster.
I'm looking at the video, honey.
Đã đi cho lan mà này. Stuff we don't need. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is how I set up. Oh, I can feel the heat already. I'll turn it down later. My goodness. That'll work. Two of my batteries here. This is my sleeping quarter.
brought my Asian blanket this time.
Oh, okay. Oh, these are supposed to come too.
Asian blanket is for keep warm.
Oh yeah, but you need.
I got my 0 degree sleeping bag too.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the sleeping bag and the Asian blanket on top of me. If the diesel camera in the back of everybody.
Fucked up.
Yo, you recording?
I am. Of course I am. Just in case somebody fucked up.
Might be you tonight.
It's always me.
I can't wait. I can't wait till Virginia.
Don't eat that loud guy saw, man. Hey, we're not supposed to talk about that.
It's on camera. Oh, that's true. I'm gonna edit it.
You in my life. Yeah, if you don't know, you don't know. I can't help you. But if you know, you know.
Give the middle finger.
That's right.
Honey, I'm safe.
What are they doing? The Indian style?
The poly style, come on now, the poly, don't disrespect.
If you're looking for a tree.
Look at him. Look at him. Act like he
Alright man, it's a good company.
Oh, come on, buddy. Let's go.
Cheers.
Babe, hold on. I got my
Cheers, guys.
I know, if I need this. Where's the car garage? Okay. Don't worry, you can skip.
Oh, that's delicious.
Damn, that's the second bottle.
Yep. Yeah, one
So,
more.
my friend,
So if you want,
how you like the weather?
Yeah, I love it. It's warm right now.
Every time I see a Spanish, I talk like one.
That warm?
Go. All right, 3 shot we give you. Hey, but if you miss the whole log, you're drinking a shot. Nobody miss a log. But if you miss,
Which one you going for?
Don't miss. You go for that one? Don't miss the log, man.
no. Why would I give you 5? Look at the size of you and look at the log.
You guys the same size.
3. Me and him the same size. I don't know what.
same size.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You can do this.
Come on, baby. I don't believe in you.
Come on, neighbor.
Ồ, lừng chẳng ai đùa bà đấy liếu. Ây da.
That's 5.
What are you doing?
Ây da.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's not easy, right?
I didn't even know you know what.
Just because I swing doesn't it look good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, that doesn't count. Okay. You drinking a shot. That's it. That was 3. Sorry, buddy. You want to add some more? No, drink first and then tell us what you need. How many more?
Oh, yeah, I don't give you 5.
Okay. Go drink the first shot first.
All right, and go over there.
Hey, don't help him. Hey, you did good. Hey, don't help him. Yeah.
When you're doing it, you're pushing the axe. Hey, so what I'm saying. Hey, you're pushing. You're not putting the weight on the
Hey, we're making a bet here. Why didn't you show him? All right, 3 more shots. Is it 3, boss man?
Yeah, because if you go like this, no.
Doesn't know how to do this thing.
I'll go tomorrow. We'll hit it tomorrow.
I think you got it. If you hit it, you got it. Oh, Lord. Come on, be a man. Come on. Lumberjack. Oh, Lord.
Get it.
All right.
Put everything in.
Hoorah! Good Lord. Oh, my God. I love you, man.
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Oh, Lord.
You can do that.
I got it. Yeah, I asked for
Oh, there we go.
Took your jacket
Oh, take jacket off. Serious.
Yeah, I gotta let my belly loose.
Yeah, because
That's where the weight goes.
if you do 4, you can't break. Can I do the last one?
Yeah.
Are we in agreement?
I think I can break it in.
Agree.
Go for it.
Full blink.
If you know, I need to drink with you, so here we are. Make sure you be safe.
I'm Thor.
Because you got a lot of stomach.
Don't sweet too much, all right? Toma. That's okay.
I'll open. I got 4 more.
I give you 10.
This way.
Tom. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let me see. Woo! Look at that. I'm not drinking. That's all that matters.
Oh, you winning team.
Group, baby.
Yeah, of course.
team.
Yeah, fucking right. I'm not stupid. I'm on the winner shit. They motherfucker drinking all.
Oh, they drinking.
All
They're
of them.
drinking. Don't play with Thor, baby. Here's the loser.
There we go.
Let's go. Come on, loser.
Who's next?
Yeah, let's do it. No, I don't drink because I win. Ye with little faith.
Linda! What he said that? That's mom. My wife, my wife. My wife got that short. It's so cute, yeah. It's cute. It's not that short though. Yeah, not
Good enough.
cute. Yeah, yeah. At first.
Oh man, we overcooked this.
It was there for a long time.
It's okay.
Everybody say, oh.
Taste test. Is it
Taste test?
Yes.
Overcooked? Good? Still good.
Even though overcooked, it's still good. You guys are too much. I'm gonna take it. Thank you. That's how I like it, but I don't eat it. You don't like it? I'm scared gamey.
What is it? Tasty?
Can I have the edge, like the burnt?
Yeah.
No, like the no, I don't want the I want the crispy.
You want the burnt part.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Is like you have stupid brain.
Once again,
That's it.
Mountain bike. That's why we got purple.
Yeah, no, I get it. Like, yeah.
Oh, this is a beautiful one here.
Yeah, I when I went fast and when I tried to stop instead of
3.
no, it actually tastes good.
tastes like sauce.
Yeah, it tastes good. It's just
Is that delicious?
Ooh. Look at that.
Yeah, come here right now.
Oh,
Come here right
very
now.
cool.
Very good.
No, I don't think that. No, two come here. There's one. There's another one. There we go. There's one bag. Grab the meat with. Yeah, the sausage. Bring it.
Oh yeah, we forgot the sausage.
Look at this, it's all frozen.
You want Argentina? You want I take Argentina sausage? I'm sorry, my friend. We don't talk like that. We don't talk. Talk like that.
Ah, look at that.
Get it, get it, get it, get it. I ran out of battery. You call it get it, get it. Guys, whatever's on my phone is gonna go on YouTube, so behave yourself. Hey, the heat is working.
Now I know why old people want stuff inside the car.
Honey, I'm recording. You don't need to say anything. Oh yeah. It's warm. Very warm. Nice and short. We'll keep it in here warm. I'm telling you right now, tonight it's gonna be like 5 degrees. Well, we make it into our cab. It's a little tight, but it's comfortable. The heat works very well. What do you think? It's warm in here, right?
It's very warm.
Yeah, it's very warm inside. It is cold outside.
Very cold.
Boots are frozen. My feet are freezing. Our feet are freezing.
Yes. The muck boot.
Muck boot. There's a lot of money spending on that. I guess it's not designed for in the negative, right? designed for 20 degree and stuff, but our feet so freezing.
I would say 40 degrees.
Really? That bad?
It's really cold.
Oh, my feet so
I got
freezing.
two wool socks
Yeah,
on.
look. Look. But it's very warm in here. So comfortable. We don't even use the blanket. The diesel heater definitely working on us. I know. I don't think you can see. I'm using my phone camera. Just letting you know that the system works very well inside here. I think we'll be fine. Hopefully it doesn't take that much power. If it does, then I have to upgrade this power. Right now, drawing about 14 watts per hour. So far so good. The heating system worked great inside, as you can see. Look at that. Eh? Yep. We got enough room. I don't think we need blankets. I really don't think we need blankets tonight.
No, it's nice and warm in here.
Nice and warm, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, good night.
Good night. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day. It was fun with the rest of the gang. Good night, guys. Still. Still working. Mr. Noyd,
Hey, what's
how was last night?
Oh, beautiful.
You can be
Nice and
honest. Hot inside?
Fan snoring. We're good.
Okay.
What we put up propane tank? I
Yeah.
don't think we would have last. I would have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Other than that, yeah.
It's cold.
It is cold.
He made it into this tent. Now it's time to pack. Pablo, how was your night?
Okay, a little chilly.
Did you go into the truck? Did it work out last night?
Yeah, around 4 o'clock.
Oh,
Yeah, big arm right now.
yeah.
I can.
You get used to it. You have to prepare all that stuff.
Exactly.
So, okay. Did you have fun last night?
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just came to
Mm. How was it? Was it good for you too?
Fuck no. No, actually it was not bad. Just at the end my leg got cold.
Yeah. It's a propane. You get something that big, put it on top of your truck and run all night.
Like that, I was warm all day, all night.
Yeah.
Just my leg.
I see.
Now I learned.
Now, yeah, well, now you learn. You, sir? You survive?
Yes.
Good job.
I went
All right, rookies. How was your first night?
Lovely.
Huh? Everybody's survived, so you guys don't mind being on YouTube? No?
I want to be on YouTube. Yeah. Look at us. We have some snow. We have a lot of, we have a lot of ice built up.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah, the condensation?
Yeah.
3 of you were in there?
Yeah.
At least it helped.
Yeah.
Some sort. Oh yeah, look at that, the condensation from this thing. Wow. Look at that.
Pillows wet, everything.
Yep.
But we still smiling.
No,
still
you guys are
tired.
young.
Yeah, we still smiling.
Young
I
blood.
didn't move around too much. If I moved, you know, the parts of my bag was wet. So I had to stay still where it was warm.
Would you guys do it again? I know he does.
Yeah. I'll
That's
be
like
back.
my
I'll be
my
back.
third one already.
Good, yeah.
I tell you, you survived this one? Summer.
Yeah, the next time it's not going to be as cold again. I keep saying that, but it never happened. It's always a 0. All right, guys. If I don't see you next time. All right, boys. All right, they survived. All right, now it's Chia turn. And Daisy. No, it's okay. It's okay. How's the new girl? Do you like it?
She survived. Just too tight over her right now.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
It's too much.
It's drinking. It's the drinking.
Put my gas on. I ran out of gas.
No, it run. I came this morning. It's still running. I'm like, wow.
I ran out of gas now. Early in the
Oh,
morning.
good. Good.
Let me try to warm them up again. But no.
Oh, you should. I have some half a gallon left.
I'm like,
But
we're about to
too
go.
late.
Like, yeah, I'll put sleep in there.
No, I
like
leave it.
that.
I leave it outside. Mine's still running right now.
Really?
Yeah, but I had on a low. You on high.
Did you run full with the full battery pack?
Yep, it's still going.
The battery pack still going?
Still going.
My battery pack, I think I should have left it inside.
Right.
Actually got cold.
It got cold and it depleted real quick.
It depleted real quick.
Yeah.
Right. What I had to do, I start the car, charge it up, and then plug it into my my outlet in the back.
Yeah.
Ran it back for an hour. Once it charged,
Yeah.
I came back and plugged it, and
And it ran again. So now you know how to run that now.
Yeah.
Good.
I still need a new phone.
Yeah, keep it inside the battery because it's depleted real quick when it's cold.
Because I was like, what the hell? Why
Yeah.
is it so drained so quick?
You know, it's cold. Lithium sucks.
Problem like, fuck, it's cold.
He took off. I saw him. All right, everybody enjoy, okay? All right, bye-bye.
All right, guys, that was pretty good. Now, the heater, to me, I think it worked perfectly. It does almost 12 hours from 10 to around 8 o'clock. Nah, it wouldn't be 12 hours, about 10 hours. It depleted my batteries, my 537 watt hour Blue Eddy EB55. So in the future, I know if I want to stay like for a weekend for camping, I'm gonna have to grab a 1,000 watt hour. That's something that will be needed in the future. If one night, yeah, that battery will work for one night. So the question is my wife comfortable with the heat? That is the question. What do you think, honey?
No, it's really nice. It's nice and warm. It's a little dry, but it's okay.
Yeah, a little dry, but it's warm.
Overall, it's 5-star.
5-star heater.
Yes.
It worked very well.
Or
It keeps
10
us
star.
warm. We don't need the zero sleeping bag.
No, we don't.
0 degree sleeping bag. That was just way too big. So next time we just pack up a regular blanket, Serpa blanket or something like that, and yeah, in the middle of the night I kicked the bed. I mean, I kicked the blanket out. It was that hot.
Just a nice
You don't need blanket, right?
Then blanket is fine too.
So
It's too hot.
yeah, so she love it. She's gonna come again, and I gotta prepare. The boot did not work for us though.
Muck boot does not work.
Not at 0
it's not
degree.
suggested for a.
We have the Arctic ice, and that was supposed to work. Typically, it would work if it's around 20 degree or so. But our toes
Oh my God, it was
were freezing last night, right?
Yes. Oh my God. Unbearable.
Yeah. So we had to go. We couldn't hang with the rest of the gang. We had to go inside and go to sleep because we couldn't hang with the freezing toe. Again, like I said, if you know anything, you guys leave a comment. What is a good boot to be hanging around in the negative degree? That would be very helpful, guys. Again, thank you for tuning in. Gotta take some time. Time wait for no one, guys. Go out there and do your thing. All right? Thanks for watching. God bless.